Hi guys, it's Thursday, so I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy-free tumblers along with other crafts. This week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these custom glittered ornaments. Customizing your ornaments this way gives an extra sparkle to your Christmas tree, and they also make great gifts whether you are giving it to a loved one or you are selling them. These do also sell really great during the holidays. As always, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do upload a video every Thursday, so go ahead and turn on that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a video. So you're going to need some ornaments. These here I purchased at Walmart and they are glass ornaments. It's definitely best to use plastic ornaments since these here are glass, they can shatter. Especially if you are going to put any decals on them, they can easily shatter. So I will link these down below, and I'll also link down below some plastic ones. The glitters that I'm going to be using are all from Glitzy Girl Glitter. This one here is called Perfect Fit and it is an irregular cut glitter. This one here is called Cinderella and it is a light blue holographic. This one here is called Vintage Rose and is also an irregular cut glitter. This one here is called Rose Quartz and it is a rose gold holographic glitter. I do have a discount code with Glitzy Girl Glitter. I'll go ahead and link their website down below, but you can use discount code MelissaCrafter10 for money off of your order. They have tons of beautiful glitters, so definitely be sure to check them out. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys these that I purchased at Dollar Tree. These here are plastic and they do come 2 in a pack. These are usually the ones that I use when I'm making any type of glitter ornaments or any ornaments with decals on them. These are the ones that I use, but my Dollar Tree didn't have enough. So that's why I ended up using the glass ones. To glitter my ornaments, I'm going to be using Brite from the Crystalac company. And I'm going to use these little containers here to drain out the excess Brite. And I also cut out these pieces of cardstock paper that I'm going to be using kind of like a funnel to get my glitter inside of the ornaments. Crystalac does have a product that's called Ornament Magic that is specifically made to make ornaments. If you have that, definitely use that. I'll also link it down below in case you guys want to check it out. This is what the container of Brite looks like. It is a non-toxic water-based top coat. You can purchase Brite at the crystalacstore.com. I'll also link it down below. This is what I'm going to be using to glitter my ornaments. I do transfer my Brite from this container onto a condiment bottle for easier application. This here is the gallon size, but they do offer smaller options. So I'm going to start off by taking off these little metal pieces that come on the ornaments. You do want to be sure to save these since you are going to be reassembling them. Now that I have removed all the little metal pieces, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in some Brite into my ornament. And I'm just going to kind of rotate it here to make sure that all the ornament is filled with Brite. I know it's kind of hard to see from this video, but you kind of just rotate the ornament until you see that it's completely covered with Brite tone. And then you kind of just put it into a cup or a little container to kind of drain out any of the excess Brite tone. You do want to be sure to drain out the excess Brite tone. That way you don't have too much Brite tone in there to where your glitter is not going to stick. So here I'm doing the smaller ornament and I'm going to do the same, just kind of rotate it and then allow it to drain. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my bigger ornament that has already drained out and make my little funnel here using the scrapbook paper and insert my funnel, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my glitter. There's really no right or wrong amount of glitter to add into the ornament. I just kind of eyeball it and kind of add less than what it needs, and then if I need more I go ahead and add more. That way I don't waste any glitter. Now I'm going to go ahead and glitter the smaller ornament that I've had draining. I'm going to go ahead and make one of these scrapbook paper funnels, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert it into my ornament and add my glitter. Once I add my glitter, I'm going to go ahead and put my finger over the hole and just shake it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and move along and do the rose gold ones. I'm going to insert some Brite tone into my ornament and rotate it until I see that it is covered with Brite tone, and then put it upside down so that it'll drain out the excess Brite tone. While this bigger one drains, I'm going to go ahead and add Brite tone to the smaller ornament and then go ahead and put it upside down. That way it'll drain out as well. While they both drain out, I'm going to go ahead and do another one of these little funnels and then insert it into the bigger one that has already drained, and then add my glitter and then just shake it up the same way. If you do need a little bit more glitter, you want to go ahead and just reinsert the funnel and then add a little bit more. Here I needed to reinsert it twice to make sure that I had enough glitter. I am then going to go ahead and do the smaller one, do my funnel, and then add my glitter and then shake it up. After adding my glitter to all of my ornaments, I did allow them to dry overnight. So here I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made the vinyl decal that I added to two of my ornaments. I went ahead and inserted a text on the left hand side and I just wrote Merry Christmas. The font that I'm using is called About Love and I did get it from defont.com. Here I'm using Cricut Design Space since I am going to be using my Cricut Explore Air 2 to cut this vinyl decal. Sorry that this frame here is a little bit blurry and crooked, but I went ahead and centered my text and decreased the line space in between my text. Once I had that spaced out how I wanted, I went ahead and made sure that my entire text was highlighted, and then on the right hand corner I went ahead and clicked on weld. Once that was welded, I went ahead and made sure it was highlighted, and then I resized it to 2.5 for the width and then 1.5 for the height, and that's the sizing that I'm going to be putting on my ornament. I am going to go ahead and click duplicate on the right hand corner to go ahead and make two, since I am going to be adding it to two of my ornaments. I am going to cut this out using permanent vinyl, and you can pretty much add anything that you want onto your glittered ornaments. You can do names, which sell really great around the holidays. So here's my Cricut Explore Air 2 cutting out my design. As I mentioned earlier, this is permanent vinyl that I'm using. So here I'm going to go ahead and add my vinyl designs onto my ornaments. I did already weed them out. So here you can see the Merry Christmas that I'm going to add on to my ornaments. You do want to be careful if you are using glass ornaments when you do add your decals. I did actually shatter one of these as I was adding this decal, so just be careful not to press too hard if you are using glass ornaments. It is best to use the plastic ones. So now I'm going to go ahead and reassemble my ornaments with these little metal pieces that I saved from earlier. So here's how my ornaments turned out. I absolutely love how this color combo came together. Customizing your ornaments by adding glitter is a fun and inexpensive way to add a little sparkle to your tree. These also make great gifts, whether you're giving it to a loved one or you are selling them. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I do upload a new video every Thursday. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram name is melissacrafter00. Thank you guys so much for watching.